Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Got a little work going on here today on the home edition. So I'll show you what I've done so far and what we're going to work on today. So I got this transom window put in yesterday. This is in our closet, our master closet. And keep in mind, this is just a temporary door opening. That'll be closed in after everything's done. So yeah, I got it siliconed, screwed, and then I got the zip tape flashed off all the way around 3 sides. Leave the bottom open in case any moisture gets in there, it can get out. I got all 3 of my floor drains done. This one here is for the toilet. Got the holes drilled, and I treated the holes with some waterproofing membrane. This is for the shower. And this is for the bathtub. That's what's called an island tub drain. It's made for freestanding bathtubs. Show you how that works later when we install the tub. So tomorrow morning, a buddy's coming over and we're going to put these big windows in. So I got the window sills flashed with flashing tape. Ready to go. Got this one done. All ready to go. And I think for starters, I'm going to work on this wall. There's going to be a knee wall here coming out, kind of defining the hallway. That'll be where the door is from coming through the bedroom. And then on the other side of the knee wall will be the toilet. So gonna work on that, and that's about it for now. Let's see, I gotta get some of these bushes trimmed back because they're kind of in the way for doing this window when we carry it through. So I might start with that, get this all cleaned up. Alright, I got the bushes all trimmed up, so we're good for tomorrow for doing the windows. So I'm gonna work on this knee wall, and the very end of the knee wall, the 2x4 is going to go all the way through the floor and then down the side of the floor joist and tie in so it doesn't rock at the top. So I'm going to cut a hole in the floor, but I'm going to do it from the bottom. So I'll show you. Let's see. Alright, looks like it made it through just exactly where I needed it, so get that hole opened up for a 2x4, show you how this is going to work. See that floor joist down in there? Right there on this side. Kind of hard to see. But the 2x4 on the knee wall, it's going to slip down in there. Just like that. Slide down. And it's going to bolt to that floor joist. And then run up the front of this wall, and that's going to keep it from shaking. Put a couple of nice lag screws into that joist. Full length. Alright, so let me get the wall built. We'll see how that goes. These multi-tools, like this, some of them are called oscillating tools, multi-tool, whatever. These things are priceless for stuff like this. Alright, let me get some wood cut. Just give it a test fit before we finish nailing it. Alright, fits pretty good. Just got to level it up. I got to make sure it's level before I screw it to the joist under the floor. And then this piece will go in the front. Well, I cut that too short. That needs to go all the way to the floor. So I have to cut another one. And this is just here to get my 36 inches to match this wall, which is 36 inches, trying to make them symmetrical. And it's going to be the same finish height as this one. This one's still going to get another top plate on it to tie into this corner. This one didn't need that because it's not going to have a corner. So it's at my 42 now. And the reason it's 42 is because this one had to be 42 for the glass shower enclosure to work out properly for the height. So trying to do it symmetrical. Alright, I ran out of 2x4, so I had a 2x6 and I just cut it down. Pretty simple. And then cut it to the right length, so good to go. I can get that nailed on, then we can get it leveled up and nailed to the floor and to the floor joist. Alright, I got everything level and plumb. So I got some clamps holding it the right distance. Everything's equal distance, top and bottom, front to back, and it's level. So I'm going to go into the house and put some screws into the joist, and that should take care of this wall. Hopefully that'll keep it nice and stiff. Alright, I got the knee wall done. Call it a knee wall. It's more like a waist wall. Waist height, not knee height. Anyway, pretty happy with that. It's really, really firm. Tying it into the floor joist is really the way to go. I'm going to do the same thing on this little wall that comes out here to finish out my shower. I'm going to cut down through the floor and anchor it into the floor joist as well. And I got lucky on this one. There was a floor joist right here flush with this 2x4, so it goes all the way through the floor. Look at that. That is tight. Got it nailed to the floor, got it nailed to the house. Alright, that's it for that. Tomorrow's windows, so we'll be out here bright and early, get that done. See you tomorrow. That about wraps it up for the windows. What do y'all think? Try not to get in the sun there. These are 5 foot wide, 4 foot tall. It's the Low E 366 glass, and these are tempered because it's in a bathroom. Installed, caulked, flashed, ready for siding. And I did this one the other day. It's not tempered glass. Not required because it's more than 18 inches off the ground. It's not in a dangerous location. Turned out pretty nice, I think. Should let plenty of light in. Bathtub's going to be right here. Big corner tub. I'll have to show you what that looks like. I think eventually when I clear out these bushes, I'm going to probably put a privacy fence from the front of the house to the back. So yeah, not bad. I'd say that's it for window installation. And this episode of Projects with Paul. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time.